Hello, it's Phil from Golf Datatech, and I'm coming to you with some more market numbers, this time for April 2021, on this dark and stormy May afternoon. Pretty unseasonable weather, but I can at least say that the numbers are looking good and they're bringing a ray of sunshine. Now, obviously, we're comparing a non-lockdown month to a lockdown month as it was in 2020, so this is the first time where the numbers are going to get really quite funky. If we look at the value in the total market versus 2020, this month was up 2,368%. So some bonkers figures there. Probably more useful to everyone is how it was compared to 2019. And I can reveal that April was up 15.2% in value. So a really good bounce back in terms of the market, especially considering retail was only properly open for 2 weeks. That brings us to a situation where we're now 33% up year to date versus 2020. So it's the first time that we've actually managed to overtake the year with the lockdowns in place. And it really does show you the impact of being open for the bigger months relative to the smaller months. So obviously looking at seeing a continued big change when we go through May. Even though the weather hasn't been good, I still feel there's been lots of people out there playing and people spending money on golf balls, golf kit, etc. The on and the off course have both done well, but this is the first month we've really seen an uptick, or a bigger uptick, for the on course. They had a very good month, up 16%. And what's interesting is looking at the product mix. This was a massive month for woods, and in fact it was actually the biggest month we've ever recorded in wood sales this month, so a huge amount of value in woods. And actually April itself was the third biggest month we've ever recorded, so a really positive bounce back. I think the big story, though, going forward is looking at the inventory, and what we're seeing is a real disparity between the on and the off course. The on course has seen significant drops in all inventory levels across all categories, whereas the off course has actually seen a little bit of an increase versus 2020. So I think moving forward, there's going to be a developing story there, with stock availability playing a big part in performance, and it'll be where people can get the kit as opposed to where they normally buy the kit. Anyway, more coming, and we'll see how the market develops.